Types of law. The law in the Indian legal system can be broadly classified as follows. Criminal law. It is concerned with violation of rule of law or public wrongs and punishment for the same. Criminal law are governed under the Indian Penal Code 8060 and Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. IPC 8060 defines the crime, nature and punishment for the same, whereas CRPC 1973 defines the exhaustive procedure for execute the punishment. Example: murder, rape, assault, etc. Civil law. It deals with matter of dispute between individual or organization. Civil law enforces the violation of right and obligation through civil suits. The primary focus of civil law is an dispute resolution rather than punishment. The administration of the civil laws are governed under Code of Civil Procedure 1908. It is further classified into contract law, family law, property law. Common law. It is judicial precedents or case law. As per Article 141 of the Constitution of India, decisions of Supreme Court are binding upon all courts in India. Doctrine of stare decisis is the principle supporting common law, that is to stand by what is decided. It gives the obligation to courts to follow the same principle or judgment provided by previous decision, if the facts are similar to all four legs with earlier decision. Principle of natural justice. It deals with the certain fundamental principle of justice going beyond the written law. Nemo judex in causa sua, that is, no one should be made a judge in his own cause. Audi altrum partem, that is, hear the other party or give them a fair hearing. Reasoned decision are ruled of natural justice. It is also called as just natural. Judgment can override or alter a common law, but it cannot override or change the statute.